Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Cairo and welcome to Codex. Now this might be the most interesting video I've ever recorded. I'm not liking... Can I just say I'm not liking the fact there's no audio here? Let's play a good old tune through the Spotify. Yeah, do you guys like Good Kid? I'm sure you do. So this app is purely about coding. That is the entirety of this app. I saw it through YouTube Shorts. And I've never got into code whatsoever. However, I think if you've watched my my video building Ryan's PC, my brother's PC, then you would know I'm actually getting into the IT major, so I would need to know Python or shit like that. And plus, I have a lot of ideas that always flow through my brain, so I want to kind of know how to code stuff so I can, you know, get into whatever projects I wanna. So this is just a gamified way of doing it. It's like when you were a kid and you just had to bring pieces together and click them. Alright, we can stop the music there because we can just start this. Oh, where was this music? Shit, I knocked over a can. Welcome to the world of computer. We are... Wow, this is loud. The story begins with Ada Lovelace, the world's first programmer, writer, algorithm. I couldn't read that! What the f- Since then, we've seen technology evolve from punch cards to the moon landing, brick stones to the internet, Mars rovers to smartphones, AI chatbots to self-driving cars. I feel like I have to speedrun reading this. But what does the future hold? Death. This is where you come into play. Yes, you. While the future is always uncertain, everything around you is created by builders and dreamers. Just like yourself. God damn, why won't you let me read this? It's up to you, protect it. Your very own coding journey is about to unfold, but it won't be easy. You'll face the fun times and tough bugs and make some awesome friends along the way. No, I won't. I will just suffer alone. Happy coding. Ah, now I have to sign up. Great. Python? Oh my god, the snake! Look at that boy. That thing is trying to eat you. Unless you began your journey to land a Python. Okay, so we have like a script file here. Then we have whatever we want to do. Welcome to first chapter of The Legend of Python. Why am I'm speaking like those, what are those? Like AI chat things that sound, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm getting dementia every day I live. Anyways, the programming language we are learning is called Python, created by a developer Geo van Rossum in the early 90s. Python is designed to be an easy for us to read. Okay, fuck off. I know I read that wrong. Which makes it the perfect coding language for beginners. It's also super versatile and all the code we write in this course will be Python files with the .py extension. Okay, so it wants me to do our classic print .hi. Does it matter if I do... It doesn't matter if I do it lowercase. I don't care. Oh, okay, I pressed it. I thought it did nothing, but apparently it printed. Now what? Submit answer. Okay, yay. Yeah! Yeah! What is that? What is that? What? Hey, why are you trying to get me to print emojis? I don't like this. Swoop. Oh my god, I keep pressing enter because I'm so used to it. Yeah! Okay, yay! Yay! Okay, line by line. Oh, we can print two things. Oh my god, this is revolutionary. Beneath the spirit glow of a familiar hue. Love this song. I think based on my personality, not a lot of people think I like Good Kid. Hell, not a lot of people even like No Good Kid. Ooh. Why was it RGB for a second? Okay, there's a special challenge. Suppose we want the output to look exactly like this pattern below. How can you do that? The fuck do I know? I don't know. I literally don't know anything about Python. Hint. It's a tricky one, This is super hard to pull off using just one print function, but what if you use 4 print? God damn it. Okay, run. We're very close. Can I submit that? Is that right? Yeah! We did it! Yeah, I don't know if they wanted me to think outside the box for that one. I was like, what the fuck are you telling me? Comments are very important to programming because they are used to document what our code does. They are also used to disable parts of the program. When the program is running, the comments are ignored. Okay, this seems very complicated. So, what we're trying to do is we're going to now put a hashtaggy and be like, I like killing kids. Because we're meant to have a fun fact about ourselves. And then I'm assuming we do some print function, like DDD space L or some shit like this. Alright, let's try that. Yeah! That looks like a D! Yeah! That was horrible. Oh my god, look. Imagine you saw that in like a game file. That looks terrible. Congrats. Hashtag, oh my god, we're so proud of you, crying. Whatever. I forget those names. Now let's put that boy in. Yeah! Okay, now it wants me to do a few more. Just to be like, okay, today's date is obviously 8/24/25. Hopefully that doesn't fuck up our thing here. See, I'm thinking in terms of a coder. I'm thinking if the dashes are there, maybe it fucks it over. How do you feel right now? Dead inside. Legit. How do I get an emoji? Damn it, I can't get an emoji. What you accomplish by learning to code, or what you want to accomplish by learning to code. Fun shit. A message to your older, wiser, and programmer self. Please die. On God. Your favorite emoji to spice things up. Eggplant emoji. Oh, even better. Damn it, let me paste. Let me get this one. Alright, here is my code. Damn, my coder fucking sucks. This is terrible for my coder. What the fuck just happened? Why is this so loud? Alright, so... Oh, Earth badge! Earth, yeah! Without knowing that it's all up in the air. The world ended in March. Sorry, I'm just copying this song. That's why I'm so quiet. In coding, variables are used to storing data values. Each variable has a name. I need this for my project! I need this for my, what the fuck is it called? How have I forgotten? Cairo 5 factors. I don't know if that video will be out. Consists of letters, numbers, and even the underscore thingy mabobber. Assign means assignment. We're assigning the string value this to the name. Okay, so I'm assuming they just want me to do some shit like that. An integer, or int, is a whole number. There's no decimal point. Okay, I get that. Float point are decimals. Okay, that makes sense. String is used for storing text. Strings are wrapped in double quotes. Or single ones. Because fuck me. We can't decide on either. A boolean, what the fuck? Stores a value that can only be either true or false. Do they want me to do like this? What are they wanting me to do? No, I want to do a fucking variable. I want to do a variable. Yeah! Yeah! We only printed one thing. Oh, hey, no! Why'd you make it white? No! I need scores! I need scores! I need them. I need this for my fucking Cairo 5 factor app. Okay, create a temperature.sci. Okay, so that's pretty easy. If I can fucking see anything, why is it command palette? Does this help? So we can do Celsius is equal to the bracket of a bracket of Fahrenheit minus 32, then that divided by 1.8. So like something like that. That's how I do it normally. Is equal to 100. Run. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, let me check my math really quickly, because I actually know how to do this. So, 100 minus 32 divided by 1.8. Oh my god, and it's right! I'm thinking like a coder, guys. Please, I love this. Oh, now we're in exponents, so it's actually 2 stars instead of 1 for the thingy-mabobber. Yeah! I have a BMI of 0.0036. Yeah! By default, the user input is stored as a text string, which is okay for now. But what about when you want to get a number from a user? Okay, then you do ints. Okay. You slept through your geometry class. No, I'm quite good at geometry. Pythagorean theorem is the relationship between the 3 sides of a right triangle. Yep. Yeah, I know that. Okay, so they want us to ask for A and B, and then actually calculate B. So, in that case, we would do our boy... what is the... What do we want to say? What is the length of side A? And B is pretty similar. We just swap these two. Oh, I could get a theme. Yeah! Yeah, I fixed it! How do I get me boy here? Okay. Okay, my name is Brandon. We were gonna say the side of A is 14. Say the side of this is 16. Yeah! 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 I'm getting quite good at Python. Now, am I the most efficient? Fuck no. Did you just see my code for that fucking calculation? No. No, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but hey, at least I got it. Oh, currency. We just got home from a trip to South America, specifically Colombia, Peru, and Brazil. There's leftover cash. Okay, so they want this, so maybe there's some math that I am not mathing on. What happens when I submit the answer and it's wrong? You know what? I don't care anymore. Oh, wait, inflation. Oh, this was at different time. Okay. You know what? I'm very dumb. Yeah, I'm sat here like, why is it not the exact same? Now we got the variables. Why am I'm genuinely like liking Python. I can understand it actually. Okay, so we're trying to execute multiple now since we've only been doing one. Before we dive into something called if statements, which are like the most obvious fucking coding thing ever. Okay, we're learning about random, so we're just bringing in randomness. Then we're bringing in the number of a random gradient. Zero through 1 we're doing. And then if the number is less than 0.5, then we print our heads. However, if we don't get that fucking thing, we just print tails. Aha, I understand it now. Alright, we got heads. We got heads again. Okay, we got tails. Hell yeah. So ifs are true and false, apparently. So it's more probability based. Else is just the other option. It's just like choosing between two options. Holy moly! Cause the class's average was super low on the test, the teacher just added a curve to our tests. Fuck! Fuck! No! No, I'm a beta male! We go 60. Yes! Yes! Except I have 2 years. There we go. They still accept the fact I said you were a beta male. Ooh, pH levels. Ooh, now we're in chemistry. ELIF? What the fuck? ELIF? What is that? Short for else if can be optional. Optionally added in between the if and else to provide additional conditions. Oh, okay. pH is a scale used to get the b. Yeah, it goes from, what is it, 0 to 14, isn't it? With neutral being 7. I love how it's right here. And yet, for some reason, I decided just to say that without looking at it. Okay, so this is pretty simple. So we can go We can go, pH is equal to 7. We're just gonna do that. Then, well, hold on. Boop. So if we do, so if we could do, if pH is greater, than 7, then we print we could say basic asshole. Then we could do an elif for wait, hold on, how do you do these? PF equal to 7, then print neutral asshole. And then else we put our if 7 is less than, we can print what do we put? Reactive asshole. Yes. This is amazing. Amazing chemistry. This is what I'm going to do when I teach people chemistry. Alright, this should work. Yeah! Yeah! Alright, now let's go 3, hyper acidic. Reactive asshole, yeah. And then let's go 10 for like, I don't know what would be a 10. Basic asshole. Great. We I love my terminology. Ooh, we're gonna make a random 8-ball. Do I get hose? Let's see what they say. Are you dumb? Hell nah. Does my friend Robert have a chance to pull hose? Damn it! Oh, god damn it. Why do I get an infinite loop now? Yes. I would beat my wife and bet my wife and kids on that. I think I can submit that one. Logical operations. Also known as... Oh, we know about these. And or not statements. Yeah, this is like what you learn in philosophy. The Cyclone roller coaster has delighted visitors at Coney Island. You know I'm gonna fuck. I only am laughing because I know I'll fuck this up. I'll make it evil. The height requirement is 137. Cost is 10 credits. The fuck are credits? Okay, let's put an input in for our boy. What is your name? You know what? Let's add good sir or madam. Let's go this. I'm going to rob you after this ride, on God. Exactly what should have been printed. And if I put 150, and then I put 10. Okay, tall guy, might have to break your shit. Alright, let's go. I don't know. Let's go 137 and I don't know. 10 or no, nah, I don't know. You know what, let's just submit it, even though it just got an error. I'm tired of fixing that error. Harry Potter! So we're now getting everything we have for the Harry Potter hat. Okay, apparently we have questions. Okay, this is a good sign. Yeah, it looks right. What will I actually answer? I like Dusk a lot more. Fuck! Oh, I accidentally submitted it. Well, it looked pretty good. It's for sure not what I was meant to do, because I meant to tell you what fucking class you're in. Well, I'm assuming what I do is I'm just gonna apply my knowledge. I'm assuming you're just like, figure out which one's the highest and then print said thing out if, you know, it's the highest. So I'll take the W. Ooh, challenge. Okay, it's like a food rating. I have a fucking rating system! This is actually helpful. Yeah! Okay. We're doing good so far. 0. 2. Alright, looks perfect. Oh, shut up. Okay, can I finally fucking submit it? I did everything. There we go. Okay, now we have this. Alright, this is a pretty simple one. So, I'm in fucking 49th grade. Yeah, okay, this seems more like the evidence I need. It's all the evidence I need. I succeeded. Okay, Snapple got good fucking shit. So now we gotta get the labels. That's basically what this one says. So then I think this works. Yep. I just fixed up a few things. So we have our thingies here. Alright, this is what I got for the months. So it's just equaling to, or it's like lower equal than. So I'll say 4. Yeah, that's simple. Maybe I put it. Maybe I forgot the little things on the side. Yep, that's exactly what I did. Oh dear Christ. Okay, this is math. Ooh, the year is 2199. We have become an interplanetary species and can travel planets. So we have to ask them, as in a float, what the weight of the Earth is. Or their Earth. Now I have to get rid of every single abbreviation because usually I always do a little bit of this. Fuck me. That did not even make that hard. Alright, this recording has been very long. I like this. When do you think the chapter ends? You think I keep going until I get to, what is it? Chapter 5 maybe? Alright, so we got this. So apparently it's saying to print this. Saying the pin is equal to the integer of this. And then while pin is that apparently. Whatever. We'll see. Okay, so it says to do a few. 2023. Okay. How the fuck is your own coding wrong? What? It's only going through one loop. I have no idea. A while loop looks very similar to an if statement. Just like an if statement, it executes the code if the condition is only true. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, guess. Yeah, I'm gonna say guess 1. Guess is equal to 1. Okay, while guess is equal to 6. Guess the int of input. Guess the number. Okay. Alright, got it. Ooh, ranges. I know ranges. What is this song? Final Battle? Sounds so weird. Suppose you got detention, the school teacher wants you to write, I will not use Snapchat in class. Fuck you, teacher. I'm smart. You're not. Okay, for I... So I in range 100. You print... what is it? I will not use Snapchat in class. Alright, run that shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can't even tell if I'm scrolling. Yay, I did it. 99 bottles. Computer ran its first program on the university. Oh, that's interesting. I'll open that up for later. It printed out squares. Okay. Ooh, string interpolation. Process of values of variables into placeholders in a string. For instance, if you have a template for saying hello to someone in an email, like hello, name, nice to. Okay, yeah, so it's a placeholder. 99 bottles of beer is an old song that annoys annoying kids. Oops, I mean everyone saying on road trips. Oops. What did you say to me, you bitch? Ah, it seems I am incorrect. What the hell? When did you do this one? What? You didn't tell me about that. The fuck? Oh shit. I did it. Oh shit. I did it. Oh, I did it. Hell yeah. I love. Okay, Frisbuzz is a child word game that teachers teach. I've never heard of it. May appear simple, but experienced coders is designed 90% of job candidates. Yeah, I got very tired of this, so I just fucking cheated. I don't care. Because they didn't tell me about whatever these limits are, or whatever the hell these things are. I was basically right there, though. I was very close. Ooh, some challenges. Now, how much fun am I gonna have? Probably not. Maybe? Yeah! Yeah! Me brain work! Well, I'm just gonna rage quit. I rage quit. The rest of them are from club members. $9.99. Maybe I would pay for this. Alright, let's turn off the music. Alright, that was pretty fun. Very long, though. Very long. I don't know how long it's gonna be for this, but 5 hours, 19:44. That's the exact time I just listed to the second. Alright, yeah, that was pretty fun. I'm definitely gonna be doing this off stream quite a bit. So, yeah, I don't know what I'll even get started on. Shit. Anyways, that's where I'm getting the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you have a good day.